Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Iktaindians. Today I am going to share with you most popular, very delicious, authentic traditional Bengali sweet recipe Khoa Khirer Patisapta. It is an extremely delectable pancake typically filled with kheer or Khoa or mawa and is a must during Makar Sankranti or Posh Parvon in Bengal. Patisapta is one of the most famous variety of Pitha which I prepare in very simple and easy way and in very short time. Without delay, let's start the recipe. At first, I am going to prepare the batter. For the batter, I take 1 cup all-purpose flour, that is Maida, 1 cup Semolina, that is Suji, half cup rice flour, half teaspoon salt, half cup date jaggery, that is Khejurer gur, and 2 cups of room temperature full fat liquid milk. Now I take a bowl and add all-purpose flour, semolina, rice flour and salt one by one into the bowl and mix all dry ingredients very well. Then I am adding required amount of milk slowly into the bowl to make a smooth fine batter. Don't use more milk than you need, otherwise the batter will not be perfect. Now I am going to add half cup of jaggery into the batter and give it a nice mix. If you don't have jaggery, you can use sugar instead of jaggery. You have to also remember that after adding jaggery, the batter will become a little thinner. The consistency of the batter will be just like this, and make sure there is no lump in the batter. After that, I cover the bowl with lid and rest it for at least 30 minutes to set the batter properly. Now I am going to prepare the stuffing, that is kheer or mawa. So I heated a pan and add 1 tablespoon clarified butter, that is ghee, into the pan. When the clarified butter is melted properly, then I am adding 1 cup full fat liquid milk into the pan and give it a nice mix. Then I boil it for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, I turn off the gas and add 1 cup milk powder into the pan and mix it properly and make sure there is no lump in the mixture. After mixing the milk powder with liquid milk properly, then I turn on the gas and boil it on low flame. Now I keep stirring it, otherwise it may burn. Milk has thickened. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons jaggery into it and mix it properly. Again I boil the mixture on low flame and continue to stir it. After 10 to 15 minutes, mixture has thickened enough. Now I turn off the gas and take out it from the pan. Instant mawa or kheer, that is stuffing of the patisapta, is ready. Now I keep it aside and let it be cool. After that, I grease my palm of my hand with some clarified butter. Then I take a small portion from the mawa and make a shape just like this. After that, I open the lid of the bowl of batter and again I give it a nice mix. Now I put another pan on the gas and grease it with clarified butter. You can use refined oil instead of clarified butter. When the pan is heated sufficiently, then I am adding little amount of batter into the pan and spread it properly, just like this. Now I put the stuffing at the edge of the patisapta. After few seconds, I start to fold it just like this, and it comes out of the pan easily. Then I take it out from the pan and keep it aside. Again I grease the pan with clarified butter and add some portion of batter and spread it properly, just following the same process. Then I place the prepared mawa as stuffing at the edge of the patisapta. Then I fold it just like this and take it out from the pan. Now I am going to prepare all the patisaptas using the whole batter, following the same process. Now I turn off the gas. All the patisaptas are ready to serve. I hope you like my today's most popular, very delicious, mouth-watering, authentic traditional Bengali sweet recipe, Khirer Patisapta, which I prepare in very simple and easy way. To make this winter more colorful, you must try at your home. I am sure you will love it very much. It will be a nice treat for your family. I need your support, so please like and share my recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.